Bro, I'm streaming, bro.
Stream? In this?
I'm streaming this. Bro, chill. We're streaming. Last day tomorrow out. Hello, pig. Let's see.
Pig is here?
Yeah, pig is here.
That's crazy.
Yeah. Pig is crazy.
Pig is crazy.
It is the crazy. Alright. So still working on Vulkan stuff. But what's the next step? Do you guys think? I don't even remember. Where should we fix the handle pointer stuff?
What? No, I don't even know how to fix that, and that system's useless. I mean, if it works, it works, okay? And if it's semi-clean, it's semi-clean, okay? Just leave it be.
I think we should fix it, bro. We're gonna have undefined behavior.
How would you fix it? But I don't think it will be undefined behavior, because SIG's type system, I think, is smart enough for this, okay? It's not too stupid, like, especially not
No.
pigs.
It's not the SIG that will be the issue. It's if the library has issues.
The
Like,
library?
during compile time, so let's say it goes through, it compiles, and then it goes in here, and then it sees a case where something could go wrong, and then it basically marks that as unreachable, and then this thing will be marked as unreachable, the whole init, and then it will just fail to run. That's the thing.
Wow, wow, the chances of that is so high, it's unbelievable. Man, it's level B. It works. It's fine. It's all good.
Let's see. My guy texted me if I want to make a C++ engine, bro. I literally can't now. Yeah, that's crazy. Where were we? We were trying to do something.
We were trying to cook.
Yeah, let's go back to that. I think we were somewhere here. Why?
Or were we?
I'm just gonna rename this to old. Because this is
Chef.
Stay chef.
How are we doing? Do I do a square, a rectangle, or whatever?
Yeah, we actually got 3D models already. You missed it.
Yeah, yesterday. Anyways, we are doing the Plur. Yeah, we were in the crate images. Yes. So here we have.
We were on the crate Plur.
Crate Plur.
Oh.
So stupid.
Yes. Here we were. Create draw image. Yes, and then here listing. Create image info. That's what we wanna do. Not the greatest place to do all of these things in, but I think that is actually, well, actually I just want to do the create image. And not the...
Guys, guess what? Tomorrow is my last day in Greek.
Bro, how
Greece.
can this be?
But
it already been a week?
what's even crazier, I won't be home till Sunday.
What? What the fuck?
Die. Bro, never coming home.
He never coming home.
Yeah. I wasn't home a single day vacation. Like, what's this?
Mm.
Like,
Yes,
they're
what's
spamming
this?
me.
Yeah, they are.
So, guys,
T-Chef
do we know
is
what
gonna,
pointer
yeah.
province is now?
Yeah, and it's the worst thing that has ever been created by humanity. Like, not even slavery is this bad.
What are we talking
Not
about?
like how I understood it, there's a define of undefined behavior, so that you can better optimize code without having like undefined behavior for optimizations.
Yeah, I cares about optimizations.
Yeah, it's the compiler that does some funny shit.
Yeah, I mean, like, this has never ever bothered me before, so I don't care.
You have been lucky.
Have I
You
been
need to
lucky?
level, and that's how you do it.
Yes. But Lucas, has this ever affected you in any way?
I don't know, because it's if it does, you won't know it because it won't run. It just won't run. That
You know?
code will be discarded, so you will only see it as if it. Wait, change that format.
Not gonna lie, I think that if this thing would actually like be of big issue, I think a lot of people would know about these things and talk about it. Kind of like everyone knows what a seg fault is, you know.
No, because it's so nobody does the thing that you kind of did, and you shouldn't even be doing it.
The thing we're not even doing. Yes, exactly. We shouldn't be doing the thing we're not even doing.
Wait,
I know.
Wait. I'm actually trying to focus now here, bro.
No?
Yes.
No, you ain't.
Draw image extent.
It's ticking. I need to see a weight trace triangle now.
Yeah, man. Otherwise, the chef, like, he's actually being held hostage right now, and if he doesn't see a triangle in 5 minutes, they will kill him.
He might
I mean,
die.
unalive him. Yeah. So I gotta make it fast, Lucas.
Well, I can't promise that fast. Yes, now we get to do this thing. Look at this.
You can promise, TypeScripter.
Take that back! Take that back!
Nah, I ain't taking that.
Oh,
Sorry, you're my
Harold, you
cat.
installed something to his life, bro.
I installed
that's
life.
like-
Yes.
Bro, guys, it was so crazy today at the beach.
Mm?
I was playing frisbee with my father.
Mm-hmm.
So we were like completely locked in. We were like throwing it, I don't know, 50 meters, and then there was like a wind, air thing, yeah, and the frisbee went a little bit off, and it hit a random tourist.
Classic.
And she said, "Damn, bro, my back hurts now so much," and yeah, it was insane.
From hitting your back hurts from hitting another tourist.
He was the tourist.
A random tourist, damn.
Yeah, it is a random person to himself.
I don't know who this guy is.
Yeah.
I haven't met this guy.
Schizo moment.
For real. VK memory property flags. What the fuck is VK memory? Is that it's probably from Vulkan.
Nah, it's not from Vulkan, it has a VK in front.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah,
Stop
That's
tripping.
probably like an OpenGL thing.
Lucas, did
Yeah,
you forget to take your
Probably
pills?
from
Yeah.
OpenGL. Lucas, I think you forgot your pills.
But why the fuck would it? Why do they put them in parentheses and then just this? Can I not just say this instead? Like, is that not the same thing? I will just go with that. Trust, bro.
Yeah. It's like so annoying having to like make a variable for all of this because you have to name them and pass them around and
Yeah, we'll see how.
What
I
are you
think
using
this.
right now?
What?
I mean, it's fine.
Are you doing VMA? Or
Yeah,
what are you
VMA.
doing?
VMA.
Okay.
So Jeff, I'm gonna stream for you so you can look at my beautiful banana.
Don't
Banana.
ask. Don't ask, bro.
Mhm. So Banano is a 100%
it's not why
SIG
they
built
call you-
experience with multiplayer rendering, ray tracing, support for all platforms, and it's just nano clone.
But called
And
banana.
oh, nano clone.
Yeah.
That's fire. You know what I'm doing right now? I'm doing a tower game.
You're doing a
Yeah.
tower defense the
that's good.
game? Yo. I wanna do a tower defense.
But I
game.
don't know how much it will. Because, yeah, I don't know how much. If I come back, if I continue it, or if I do something else.
Mm.
Oh yeah, did I forget that my nano clone actually saves into a file?
Damn, your nano clone. Wait, don't say your nano clone can actually exit the nano without needing 10 keybinds and stuff.
Yeah, no, how you exit it, this is control C, control C, that's it, and then it just saves it automatically. Kinda shit because I don't have like a cancel saving, but you know, it's fine.
Well, can you preview your nano thing again?
Using the right function call. Create image.
Damn, that's fire. But Harold, where are my line numbers?
Your line numbers, nah man, it's in NeoVim.
Didn't seem to be using that. So
Where's my
so-
config?
Oh, I don't know. Also, I
Expected
will make
6
sure that
arguments.
when you're in here, it will just have a banana color all the time.
Wait. They take the allocator, the
Yeah.
create image info, the allocator for that. Then they take the image, another allocation, and the allocation in. What the am I using the right function here? Hold on. Is their thing outdated? This doesn't look right at all.
You're outdated.
I'm fucking outdated, bro. What the
That
fuck?
one.
Because they're
To my
literally
original-
passing in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, they're also passing 6. What the fuck am I doing? Wait, the allocator, bro, I need to highlight this line. Not see. The allocator, the info, the videos, then the image. But I don't think it's supposed to be the image next. It's gonna be the allocator, the create info. The allocator create info, but they have like. Hold on, what the fuck? They have different.
Yeah, one is
order.
the info.
Yeah.
Yeah, one is the info about the allocation. The other one is the allocation object, opaque object.
Yeah, but.
Hello, Omi.
Oh, yeah, okay. Pointed to the image, the allocation. Bro, I feel like because they have like different order on their stuff. Well, I guess I will just write what I know. Okay, we'll go here. And then the image create info. So that's probably gonna be this one. And then we have the allocation create, which I assume it's gonna be this one. Let's see. Image create, yeah, then it's this. Yes. Yo, Matt Damon, what's
Matt
up,
Damon,
bro?
damn.
Hey, Tuesday.
Yep, the meeting. The cult meeting.
The cult meeting. And then they want the image.
Yo, Damon, I got banana.
Banano. Let me see. I'm gonna go get some lunch here. So, let's see. Hello world. Ooh. Plah.
And then it's gonna be the
Cat that shit. Main banano.
probably it's this thing, I know what it is.
Alright, save buffer.
What?
Bye.
Alright, damn, he made banano.
Yeah, I did make
Call
banana.
it banano.
Yeah.
I'm impressed. I
Uh-huh.
don't know. These other guys don't know. They just don't know, man.
Yeah, it's not too much code. It's like
And this is just null
150
at
lines.
the end. Okay, here's something
Yeah.
wrong. Oh,
Because you're null.
oh shit.
Alright, I'm gonna go
Expected.
get my lunch. I expect great things when I get back.
Yeah,
Alright?
there will be
Okay.
great things. Wait, I was supposed. What the fuck?
Nice.
Expected type const. What the fuck? Create image, create info. Yeah, it is. We're just not going through that path. That's a weird one. PTR cast. Because that should be the right thing to do. And let's see, this is probably the same issue. It's the same type, but they are different places. Yes, so it's just a PTR cast as well. What the fuck did I do there? Okay, it wasn't that. Ignored scient. Alright. This should not be done here, but for now it's fine. And then image view create info. Okay. I should definitely not do these things here. But it's fine. For now. For a no. Image info is equal to, and then it's just this. And I think we can just do it like this, take this, what they have here, and then we just translate it. Don't care. Okay, I care. And then we'll change that to null. And then we'll take all of these. Oops.
Guys.
Tell us.
Yes. He did.
Oh, he died it, bro. Not
He
again.
sure did.
How dare he? He does this every year. Am I right?
Every year.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What the fuck did I do there? Alright. And yeah, we'll just change a few things up here. Because here we can see when they do this, it's gonna be the draw image format. I haven't, what? Ah, there. Draw image dot image format. I could literally just call it format. This is so redundant. And then the image itself, draw image dot image, and then we have the aspect flags, which is this vk.c.this, and then it's unused. And then we can just create image view. Yeah, and that's using the okay. Where do we store it? Oh, it stores in the okay. That's cool. Okay, because if this works, bro, we're gonna have such a heaven's time of creating like GPU memory stuff compared to what it's without this. And then here you can put that in the device. To see. Bro, this is nasty. Okay. And then view info. The address of it. Then we want to pass in null for some reason. That's probably an allocator. Yep. And then draw image view. Image view. Sure. And the address of it. I don't think those are. And then it ignores. This one we can actually do a try. pk.c.check. No, just check. Yes, and then we have to delete them, but we can also just go in here and just do that. Draw extend. Draw. I don't know if that's a good idea now, but we will just say that draw image is equal to draw image and draw. What was the other thing? Is equal to. I did not store. Do I need to store that extent? Don't we store it already in the image? We already stored it there. It's a stupid thing to. But that one is 3D, isn't it? Not 2D. Why not just store the? I'm not sure. No, it is an extend 3D. Well, I mean, it seems to be fine, so let's just do it like this. I think that's fine. And then we can add it in the deinit. Before we destroy those, I guess we can do a little bit of separation like this. We can do a vk destroy. We don't have a deinit on this, so it's gonna be vk.c. Vk destroy image view. And take self.device to C. And then we're gonna pass in here, it's the image view. Self dot. Yes. That thing. And what else does it need? Just the allocator, which will be null. So. And then we're gonna have another one, which will be the VMA dot destroy. VK destroy? Oh, no. VMA. Destroy image. Bro. And here we're gonna take in the allocator, which is just self.Vulkan allocator. And then we're gonna have self.draw image, the actual image.
I can see your stream, but are you naming the things lowercase?
Yes, I'm always.
Good.
I have been learning. And then the allocator for it.
Surprising.
Yes, I am. Like so, and it's gonna need to take a reference, probably. Why do they don't need to do that? Am I wrong? Pointer cast expected.
Probably some operation overloading or some shit.
Oh, these ones are already pointers. That's why. Yeah, it just doesn't know that it's the same struct, so I have to do a pointer cast. It's so weird. This is actually kind of. I mean, I don't know. I guess it prevents bad things from happening, but at the same time, it's also like it should know that these two are actually the exact same struct, but it's
They
okay.
ain't though.
Well, they are. It's just different locations for the exact same struct.
No, they are different types.
No. They are exactly the same, bro.
Okay, what's the no? they're different opaques, but they share the same location.
No, this complete same layout. Look, if I go here to
Yeah.
Vulkan image, this is, well, okay, I guess I cannot even see this, but it's a Vulkan image in both of them.
Yeah.
And they cannot be
Yeah.
different. Like they
But
have
it is the same one though. It's probably not from the same file.
Anyways,
That's why.
I think we should still be able to run this thing. It shouldn't just do anything differently from what it has done from before. You know, it should still be the exact same sting.
Same thing,
Same
thing.
but different. Yes, this guy, the Mr. Internet guy, gets it.
Yes.
And it did run. Look at that. That's how good I am. That thing just runs on the first try. That's actually, I don't know why it ran on the first try. This is not normal. And let's see if the freeing works. Can we free everything? Everything seems to be fine. If it wasn't, Vulkan would have cried and tell me that I'm a bitch or something. Alright, let's see. Then we have now to the new thing. This is where it actually gets a bit interesting. It's kind of weird because I would never have thought about doing it like this, but they recommend it in the thing, so I guess we're gonna do it for some reason. Now that we have the new draw image, let's add it to the render loop. Blah blah. They are gonna make a copy image util thingy where you take in the command buffer, then you take a source image and a destination image, a VK2 size, and okay, so okay, I guess that's actually pretty cool, to be honest. We can reuse this for another cool thing, but this is a util function, and we're actually just gonna go like, I know it's C++ code, but it's easy to just translate. Most of the time. Sometimes they use something like std pair or something like that, and you have to figure out what the fuck. But most of the time it's fine. And we're gonna just put it in our own utils. Skadoosh. You know what I'm saying? Bam. And of course we cannot just let it be like this. This is not good. So we're gonna take a new pub function, and then we're just gonna take the name. I think I like this. Copy image to image. It sounds so sexy, you know, I cannot forget about it. And then we're gonna go, whoa, not there. We're gonna go to the end, we're gonna take it like this, and then we're gonna change it up a little bit. We're gonna do like this, and then we can see here that this is also wrong. We would like it to be the other way around, where you then provide, wait, is it .c? Is there C? Yeah, there's .c. And then we tell it it's a Vulkan command buffer, and I assume that it's already a pointer. It is. Then the same thing goes for the other ones. We do this, we take that, bam, 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 see that, bam. And so, bruh. And one more time. I think this is the last parameter. Bam, look at that. I don't know, do we need a error? I'm gonna assume we don't. Yeah. And then we can do that one more time.
For what?
I don't know. That's why I'm asking. Anyways,
Okay.
Blit region. They are gonna be using Blit 2. I guess we will also be using Blit 2. Has to be a var. And then we're gonna make it to a, what are we gonna make it? C. Just C, I think is right. Yeah. Not a question. Bro, where's my equal? And where's my dot? Alright, we're back in business. We can reuse these things. These are perfect. And I'm gonna take the one from there. Whoa, and I'll put an insert there. No, thank you. We can remove that. We can remove that. We can change this to just be null. If I can find the N character. Perfect. And then we're gonna go here. We're gonna do there. Bam. And yes, then we can just take all what that has to do with the blit region, move that in here. And is there, I don't know if there's a reverse, but I don't know. And then we're gonna do like that, bam. And expect field right, because this is a... We cannot do it like that. We have to do a source offset. Wait, what? Ah, there is actually, I didn't see it. And then we can do that, and then we just take this in there. And is it supposed to be an array actually? Like, what is this thing? Bro! Okay. Don't know if this is actually legal, but we'll do it like this. Because, you know, we like to do a bit of illegal stuff. Not really. Just trying to be funny. Alright. What? Source, this thing. And I'm just gonna take that. Yes, this is correct. Yes, yes, yes. And like so. Bam. And then another dot, destination. Bam, bam. Oh, come on. Ah, I cannot do it, bro. I thought this would be easier. Bro, like so. Bam. Oh, bam. And right. Okay, I guess we can go down to this one. Same issues. Maybe a bit easier. Maybe. The naming is a bit of a yikers. Harold, look away. You should not look at these things. You might cry.
What is this?
You don't wanna. You should not. Say, you should not look. Look away. Close your eyes. I wanna. I mean, it's alright. I wanna get some water. What the fuck? I told you that would be funny. Oh, bro.
Disgusting.
Okay, now we're back in business. So now we can go up to the top and rename this one to _region. Yes. Bro, wait, are we putting... Okay, I just realized the way we could make this a little bit cleaner. Ah, maybe this is good. This is fine. Whoa. And then this... Oh, okay, we need actually a try. I think. Try. Well, I did not do a check. Use unclear identifier. Yeah, bam. Easy peasy. I'm not entirely sure that this will actually work though, because it's an array of 2. I don't know if it understands that this is supposed to be just 1. Wait, hold on. They're using the second one here. Maybe I'm the retarded one. Use copy image or VK image. Copy image is faster, but it's much more restricted. For example, resolution on both images must match. Meanwhile, the blit image lets you copy different format and different sizes into one another. You can source rectangle and a target rectangle, and the system copies it into its position. To useful. Oh, okay, but later it's best to ignore them and write your own version. That can be extra logic on the full screen frame. With it, we can now update the render loop. That's why I use probably the second one. Because if you use the initial one, I think that's like where you want it. But the second one is like the resolution of it. So right now I'm saying it, I want it to be at the end of that, because they mentioned that you can, with blit, you can say where you want it and the size. So I would assume that's what it means, why we have 2 arrays. And now I'm just putting it to the first one, which is probably the wrong thing to do, and that's why they're using the second one. Huh. Well, fuck me. Is there an easy way to just target the second one? Can I just create? I don't know. Is it like this? I can do it as well. I think this is the correct way of doing it. We'll see. If it's the correct, it will work. If it's not, then it will just not work. That's the way how I like it as well. We don't need that extra. And everything else should be the same. We can now update the render loop as a draw. As a draw is getting too big. We're going to leave the synchronization command buffer in the draw function, but we are going to add the draw command itself, the draw background. Well, I don't think we need a draw background. Should we have a bad?
He did.
What? Who died?
You.
Me? I never die.
You died.
How?
Definitely died. Your stream on Discord is go.
Oh, it's gone? Oh, what? It says... Ah, that's crazy, bro. Draw the roof. We ain't drawing any roofs here. There won't be a roof to draw. Tell him, Harold, there won't be a roof to draw.
Nah, there will not be anything to draw.
Yeah, exactly. Wait, what? Clear value.
I'll be back in like 10 minutes probably.
Okay. Should I take timer?
Nah, I got to watch a tutorial for something.
Ah, okay. So they just moved this to a separate function. Okay, crazy. I won't do that. Not yet. Add the function to the header too. We'll be changing the code that records the command buffer. You can now delete the older one. Is this? Wait, what? They will be removing the old. Hello, Lean. Do they like transition from image level transfer optimal to %? Yeah, okay, so they do a little bit of a change here. That's okay. We'll just do a git add, git commit. Preparing for image copy stuff. All right. And then, yeah, so they go from like a transfer destination, okay, and then wait. So they do the copy image, so they go from image layout undefined to image transfer destination optimal, so then they do that. But why do they have image? Command image layout general VK layout transfer source. Transition the draw image and the swap chain image into the correct. Oh, it's. Oh, so it's on the image you do this better. Wait, on me? Omni? Omni? You here?
I'm back. I
Yeah.
don't know if I'm missing.
I don't think Omni is here. But so that is the barriers for images specific. It seems like it only has bro. Oh my god, transition image. What am I thinking of?
Maybe.
Bro, I literally named the function image mem barrier. Wait, so they always just have something to do with images then? It seems like it. Source says, okay.
I suppose.
Okay, well then it makes sense. Can they have something to do with vertices then as well? Because I'm thinking like about just memory on the GPU.
Nah.
Yeah. Well, we'll run into it in that case, but at least for now. So then it started to make sense. So then you have some of
What?
the barriers in Vulkan. Wait, you hear?
What about that?
Are they only for images?
No. You can also have them for, like, I had this issue where the draw buffer, the indirect drawing buffer, wasn't properly synchronized, and so yeah, I had issues with drawing where it was like popping back and forth, like doing weird stuff, and all I had to do is to make sure that the copy buffer was synchronized. So I needed a barrier saying that when the copy is finished, you need to sync until it's used as a draw buffer. And once I got that, everything worked fine.
But that's to do with image, like the swap chain image. And the copy from where
No, that's
isn't it?
that's
Because
the indirect drawing. So indirect drawing uses a buffer with the number of vertices. So you can start within the same vertex buffer. So you do a batch render,
yeah.
and you have different meshes using the same material and all using the same
Yeah.
pipeline. And then you have vertex start and vertex count, and you have an array of those. So you can draw multiple different meshes. It's different from differs from instance rendering, where you draw the same exact mesh over and over again, just changing the transform. In this case, you are also changing the number of vertices and the offset within the buffer. So for each instance, and that's an array of a very specific struct, VK indirect something, and yeah, this is just a regular buffer that I needed to synchronize before the copy. Like the copy needed to be synchronized, the transfer needed to be synchronized with the actual draw call.
So you can put a barrier
So yeah, you have
also
to use
for like vertex buffers, or
no, they are just regular buffers, like, and then you put the barrier within the stages and the usages. You have a lot of combinations that you can use between stages and and usage.
because I mean the semaphores, the fences makes a lot of sense. The semaphores kind of, but the barriers I'm still like. There are like different stages, yes, but
So
like
barriers are for pipeline. Like pipelining means that you can execute arbitrary parallel things. Like you don't have to wait until once you have processed some certain vertices, and then you have to shade those triangles. Then in the meantime, you can run other things in the vertex shader. So there's no need for it to be idle. So that's why everything is pipeline. Also, the GPU or the driver anyway can reschedule certain operations. Like if there is a copy, it will be started because there is a good chance that it's going to run on a DMA or something, and so there is no reason to stall the whole pipeline because there is a copy involved, unless the copy is required at some point. So that's why you have a barrier. It's crucial to have the Vulkan performance. Otherwise, you just fall back to OpenGL.
Yeah. No, I'm just still trying to connect them, but I guess the more you just work with them, the more you will see them.
Just get the intern to put them in for you.
No, there's no issue here. I'm just trying to understand. I swear I heard slop chain image.
That is an issue.
Instead of slop chain, he heard slop chain. Yes, we're doing slop chains. You know, if I did the intern coding video thing, I should make it like calling everything slop instance, slop chain instead of swap chain. What else could you call things? That would be hilarious. Slop renderer.
Indirect slop.
Indirect swap. Oh, bro. That would be fucking crazy. Okay, but okay. We can go back to here when we begin the command buffer here. And then here, transition image, so we go from layout undefined to layout general. I think that we still have the same. Undefined general, yeah, and it's for the actual swap chain image. They're doing for the draw image in this case. Okay. Oh yeah, because that's the actual image we want to draw on. So yeah, we're gonna do it actually. We're gonna change it. Self.draw image.image. And then they changed this one. Clear, and I think they are using the draw image. Yes, I don't think we are. We are still using the swap chain. We should change it to the draw. Self.draw image.image. Like so. And everything else stays the same. Then we come back here. We have done
Tastes the same.
Yes, it tastes the same. Layout general. And now we put it to the transfer destination. Bro, what the fuck? So we are here, and then we take. Yeah.
Damn, I finally got enough to afford the cat ears. Check it out. Check out my cat ears.
You got cat ears. Where are you sending? Where are you showing?
Yeah, man. Got enough Discord orbs to get me some cat ears.
Where can I see your cat? Oh, there they are. Wow, that's I need to get a zoom feature so I could zoom in on people's stuff during the stream. That would be crazy.
Let's just make an app for it. Like what?
What? Anyways, now we'll take this one, and it's still the same. Self.draw image.image, and we're gonna Why am I doing the swap chain? Now I'm doing something stupid again. Fuck. We are not gonna use the swap chain, bruh. We're gonna use self.draw image.format. What the fuck? What have I been doing? Okay, so that makes sense. We're gonna take the format. And then we're gonna go from, now we have the general, and now we're gonna go to transfer. VK image layout. Transfer source optimal. Yes, and then we're gonna take, now we're gonna make it possible to copy. Actually, I think it's better if we copy this one. Bam. Alright, time to shelf this project and make a zoomer. Call it a zoomer. Now we use the actual swap chain, and then we take the. Oh yeah, it's gonna be undefined and it's gonna be transfer destination. So we can take this and change it just to DSD. And we're gonna have undefined because we haven't used it yet. I was so scared that I had another one that was undefined. And now we can actually use the swap chain stuff. And then we can do the copy. Which we have in the vk.c. No, vk.utils? How do we get. Is it just. Where the fuck do I. Meh! Wait, I know I used this. No, bro, I'm retarded. Once again. I should have access to them. Dot pop. Bro. Okay, here, this thing. We're gonna make it also. Oof. What the fuck? Yeah.
Intern. What?
No, it's not no. I just don't like the. Just realized I did a bit of an oopsie. Well,
Yeah,
I'm
no
still. I'm
worries.
so
The
used
intern
to.
got it for you.
I'm so used to the C syntax for real. Copy image to image. And then utils copy image to image. Like so. And now we should have access to this over here. Copy image to image there. Boom. And now we can take. So we will have the. Well, I guess it's why am I being so I can just literally just do this. Boom. Oh, that's why they stored it in a separate. But that's okay. We won't do it. Ah, yeah, I call it command buffer. And then this will be self image raw image that image swap chain row. It's gonna be this thing. Please. Like so. And then it's gonna be the draw extent. Self dot draw image dot extent. I think it's gonna take 2D. I provide a 3D. That's okay. No, this is gonna be, and it's not gonna be. Wait, hold on. What do I actually want? I want the extent. Well, I only have width and height. That's a bit of a success. Wait. Just so it's easier to read this thing. Okay, yeah, you're passing a 3D, it's expecting a 2D. Is there a smart way I could fix this? I mean, I could make it take in a 3D. This one either way just wants a 3D. Why not just make it 3D? And then I just use... I don't know, maybe it will be a problem later, but then I'll switch it again. And then in here, well, the thing is that we don't have swap chain extent. Bro, remove. Blah! You don't have that. And I don't know if I want to even store it. Swap chain extent. Maybe it would be worth it. Let's go to the swap chain. Let's see. We do have image extent though. Why do I call it image extent? It's in the swap chain info. Then I could literally just store. Extent. I could store an extent, and then I wouldn't store it like this. I could literally just go extent and just call it vk.c. vk extent 3d, and I will get rid of those, and I will just store it in here. So we will where does the width even come from? There.
Your mom.
What the fuck, bro?
Yeah, that's where the width comes from, man.
And then we can just take the same thing as in here. We'll just do this, but we also need one more field, which we will never use, but it's gonna be there just out of convenience, like so. And then in here in the renderer, we can just use it. Well, in case if we ever wanted, we could still access it, extend, like so. Now, best case scenario, this will actually run. Worst case scenario, it won't. You know, that's the odds that I like. Ah, yeah, there's...
Zig.
I actually might not have the transfer barriers implemented that I'm gonna be trying to do, but then I will just implement them if I need them. I have a lot of them actually implemented, but let's see. There's one more thing. Banana? We need to make this percent, and we are having it this, so we need to transfer it from this to that. And then we should be ready to go and see if it works. Let's see. Moment of truth, everybody. Build. Fuck. Okay, here's expected I32 found.
Intern.
No, this is not utils 150. Okay, so it's something with the utils down here. Ah, look at that. Are they actually unsigned? Bro, come on. They actually expect different. No, bro, why? Bro, they are I32s. And then, yeah, this one is U32. Ah, bro.
Rip.
Yeah. I guess. Yeah. Well, that sucks a little bit of ass. Yeah, that sucks a lot of ass. Okay, we're gonna have to change this a little bit. What did they use for this? Because I don't think that's a smart idea to go about it. VK extend, yeah, they use VK extend, but yeah, in C++ you can just do this. Why would you even want to do a negative? You wouldn't. So I think I'm safe to just do an @intcast. I think that's fine. I just cast it, yeah. Okay, unsupported layout. Fuck, I don't have that. Okay, which layout don't I have? I don't have from image layout general to source. Why don't I have that? But I do have these. That or like one of these. I don't. Well, that's yeah, that's a bit of a success. Fuck. No, I actually don't have. That one was a kind of expecting that I should have. Read on the optimal. What? I don't have a transfer. Really? Of all of the ones I have, I don't have a transfer. Okay, here. No. Here I have a destination optimal, but I don't have a source optimal. Oh, there's no destination. Okay, well that's default. Should I just add them here at the bottom? More else ifs. I don't know if this could be a switch case, but I'm just gonna do else ifs. And then I didn't have from general to optimal. And then we have two of those. Fantastic. Okay, and is there anything special I should do about these? Just gonna put them there, and then I'm gonna take this source access. I need more water. I'm gonna grab some more water, BRB. All right. Used as a source image transfer command. See this. That's some crazy stuff. Is there anything that says like what? The Vulkan tutorial has it. Well, then we're good. We're good. Maybe or not. Let's see. Images, optional sourcing transfer. Like, I think they are probably no. However, this is something that extra will have to take care of when working with images. Images can have differently. So organized in memory. Due to the way graphics are work, simply storing the pixel row by row may not lead to the best performance. For example, when performing, you must make sure that you have the layout that is optimal for use in the operation. We have actually already seen some of these layouts. Okay.
Baby.
Common ways to transition layout. I think they should probably have it in this tutorial, so I can probably yoink. Ah, here. Bruh. They do have, they have it here, so they have new destination. But do they have the source? The Vulkan docs is just loading until yesterday. They don't. They actually don't? What? Nah, no way. Ain't no way. There they have it. Look at that. Fuck. Maybe it's not. Maybe it is this thing. For MIP level? Okay, but I mean, that's fine. If, and then old. Okay, here, this is what they do. I can do the same. I can do the same. So, just right bit. So the same, and then destination, read. Wait, what? New source. Well, aren't these two flipped? Shouldn't you write to the destination and read from the source? Sorry, what?
Sorry, what?
Sorry, what? Okay. Oh yeah, because I'm doing it wrong. That's why. No, I'm doing it right. I have no idea, bro. Anyways, let's look into the stage. They don't do anything to the stage. Barrier. Stage. I mean, I think that should be fine.
Damn, that
Except for
Minecraft
this.
music goes hard.
Yeah, for real. Okay, seems good. Now if we put that, it actually renders. Let's see. It should have the same effect as before, just and it does. Maybe a bit slower. But it does do the thing. It's fine. Don't worry about those things. Or was it faster? Just, I don't know. I should probably print my frames. Damn, I love water so much. No memory leaks yet. Or well, actually, I cannot confirm. No Vulkan leaks. I should probably run this with some memory leak checker or something like that to see. Yeah,
you can literally change out the allocator.
But then I don't use my arena allocator.
My god, no one cares about your arena allocator. And yes, you can have debugging for it.
Okay, we can just change this to just be const.
No, bro, no one likes debug arena allocators, okay? No one
What the
likes it.
fuck are everybody like? Arena allocators are the best. All right.
No. Look at you are doing it right. Yeah. Never mind. You know how to do it.
I don't remember how to do this.
Uh,
How do I get the page? Is it page or debug? How do I get it? How do I do this? Harold, no, help!
I'll let you figure this out.
Bro, no, you tell me now.
Okay, fine. Make a constant before the allocator. I mean a variable. Make a variable above this constant. Yes. Call it GPA. Then you do colon. You know what colon is? It's the dots on the chart, yes. And then you do std.heap. Yeah. General purpose allocator. It's a type. Yeah, and then you do dot curly braces here. And then you do inside of that you do dot verbose. Equals true. Comma.
Or inside the thing.
No, yeah, inside there, yeah. Dot. And then there should probably be something with like memory something.
Enable memory limit.
No, not that. Let's see. I can't really read it. I guess safety. Put safety and the dot. No, it's dot. It ain't a boolean. Maybe it is a boolean material space factor. Yeah, it's a boolean. It's a boolean. Just make it true. Yeah, my bad.
Harold trolling
Yeah,
my
and
ass.
then to the right of this, you do equals dot curly brace. Or do you need to init this one?
I
Wait.
know.
Check if there is a dot. Check if there is a dot init instead of the dot curly braces. Okay, I guess you can do it like this also. Well, having init in here won't really, because there's probably like shit ton of stuff. Search init. Yeah, bro. Bro, use your LSP.
What do you mean use my LSP?
Yeah. Like in the, when we're making the allocator, you just do equals dot init.
Oh, there's an init.
Yeah, there's an init. Yeah, and then you do defer on the next line. GPA.tinit. Yeah, and here you do GPA.allocator. Curly parenthesis, probably. Is this not a functional? Yes. And comment is out, yes. Comment out the buffer, yes. Try. Try. No? Does it want something? See, just do like in the, okay, go to the init function. Like
Not a function.
if you go to the init function, like if you go back and you hold control and then yes. Oh, init is just okay, sure. It's init is a constant apparently. Remove the dot try. Yeah. What does it say?
Value of type heap check ignored.
Underscore equals.
Wait, where do I put it here? Like that?
Before the, no, after the defer.
Oh, that's crazy. Okay, now leaks, right?
Nope. Wait a minute, I'll check something.
Ah!
Did it say something?
There is leaks when creating events and trying to wait, spacetime is leaking. What? Oh. Well, Yeah. Wait, what? Don't we have a deferred D in its spacetime? And that one calls disconnect on the database. There isn't really anything else that should be. Oh yeah, but we should free the events list, right?
We can do that in Rust, I guess, right?
No,
Or no, I don't know.
it's this one that owns the memory. So it's just here.
Okay.
I have to get before self dot events. How do I q dot
Events.init.
and the allocator? Do I take it? I have to take it in.
Yeah.
After self. Is it before or after self?
Yes. After self. Self is always first, then compile time stuff, then allocator, and then it's based on importance.
And then we have also self dot events dot the mutex. Does it also has to be?
Nope.
No. How about events itself? Do we allocate events? Yeah, we do. So we have to also
Nope,
destroy
it's
it.
just a structure.
No, no.
Oh, are we allocating
yeah.
events?
Mhm.
Oh, what? Okay.
That's just.
You have to do allocator.free. Yeah, and then you pass self.events.
I think
You're not passing an allocator into that.
I'm doing net spacetime events. I'm not really getting any.
Oh, destroy, not free. My bad.
What's the difference between destroy the free?
Well, you're using create, which only makes one thing, and destroy only like removes one thing. But
Okay.
alloc and free removes multiple things, and that's multiple things. Yeah.
Okay. Array lists and many at. The fuck is this? Memory address leaked.
You're probably just forgetting to destroy the array list.
But isn't the init enough for it, or do I have to?
It doesn't have to do with that. It's a completely other place.
What?
You see, errors don't appear in the same place. Like if you go back to the terminal.
Array list? But where is
Yeah,
this
but
coming?
this is the stack trace. Go
Oh,
down,
world.
go down, go
The
down,
world.
go
Is the
down.
world being?
That's weird. Well, I guess I haven't tried with memory checking. Wait, I'll do that. Don't think it should be leaking, but I'll see.
Main 25. Wait, no. Because I do this, it's talking about this line, but is it because I still have a reference to it when I try to destroy it? Nah, it cannot be.
Well,
Because the program is supposed to exit now, so it doesn't really matter. This is basic, it's talking about line 25 in here. That somehow this is leaking, but this
Wait,
add should
I'll do
only
something.
return an integer, basically, right?
Yeah, essentially.
Well, a handle with.
Well, it is just a number, so.
Yeah. That's good to know that we have a little bit of an issue, but it's okay. We'll fix all of this. I will continue on to the next thing. Will you check that out? Vulkan shaders, crazy stuff. Should maybe start looking also into the moving a little bit of this away from here, but we'll still leave it here for the time being. signatures
I also
leaking.
get memory leak. Okay, well I've done an oopsie whoopsie.
Mr. Internet
Whoopsie.
guy is talking about the signatures. Ah, yes.
Yeah, it is the signatures, but like
Intern?
that's
Did someone say
pretty.
intern?
No,
No.
no, nobody said
But
it.
like it's pretty obvious. Like if you just look at the thing, it says it.
Mm-hmm.
Um,
All right, we're getting to the shaders part now. Woo! Ow. GLS version to use, size of work group for compute, descriptor bindings. That's a new way of... What the fuck? I haven't seen that before. RGBA 16F. I've never seen that specified before in a layout. Or have I? I don't think I have. That's okay.
because refetch the ECS library and they should be working.
Can I just do git batch?
No, sig fetch.
Git that
Sig. It ain't git. I can just send it to you if you want.
pulled from sig exists. I don't know, how do you update? This is so annoying that you can't just get it, you know? You know what
I
I'm
know.
saying?
I'll ask on the Discord one sec.
Yeah. Whoa.
Bam, I sent it to you.
Send it to me.
Yep.
Now that's crazy. Could not be recognized as file path. File not found. URL expected character.
Maybe I typed it. Oh, yeah, right. HTTPS :/ before GitHub.
Ah, but not there. Here. There. Boom. Unable to discover remote Git server capabilities protocol error. What the fuck? Oh, bruh. No, what? No, that's... what? My brain ain't braining right now. How does one do this? If I...
What is your issue?
Do I know how to type HTTPS? Yeah.
My god. Die. You cooked before the HTTPS /GitHub. Okay, I'll just type it for you.
I'm cooked, bro.
Like I don't really go to the GitHubs anymore. I just type it in by hand because it's just faster. I don't know. I don't even know what
That's
to type
unable
wrong.
to discover remote Git server capability. Just take the thing from GitHub, bro. Eh.
I don't know. The issue was I couldn't I couldn't remember the name of my thing. Just refetch it. Now with the thing is in.
Ah. See.
I just forgot to do sig dash ECS.
Yes.
Also, it's probably the worst name ever. I should really rename it.
We had to blav ECS.
Blah ECS. I don't know why, but like I have banano, so maybe I could have apple.
Banano.
Now it seems to be
Apollino.
freeing everything that it allocates.
Yeah.
What the fuck? Alright. Now. Shaders. Where do we put them shaders? Inside the renderer? Maybe. Or just out. We should have assets.
No, make a Vulkan shader and then you make an like a wrapper thingy for it in the renderer. The renderer is only high-level garbage. It shouldn't really take care of low-level trash.
No. We are probably gonna create the assets. We have an assets folder. Inside there we should put the image. We have the textures. So now we're gonna create shaders. There we'll put them.
I mean, you could try to compile SIG shaders.
So I'm gonna put them in here.
You could make shaders in SIG.
I guess I could, but
Probably suck because it's pretty unstable, but it could work.
what is a
Could work.
gradient that composition? I haven't named a shader this before. This is gonna be interesting. Don't I have shader? Maybe it's supposed to be GSL. Bleh. Tired. My brain ain't braining anymore. I don't have it on. Nice. Okay. Now I can go back.
Bro, that's a computer shader.
Compute shader? Oh! I see. Now this is gonna... I don't want to do compute shaders though. Why are we doing compute shaders? Maybe I should read what they're... Oh, okay. Code necessary for a
You
computer.
with my freaking computer.
Has an image input and writes. Maybe we'll do compute shaders by accident here. Why not? And there's a color to it. Based on the...
How are you supposed to use those? Like,
I don't
what
know.
are you gonna use them for?
I have no idea.
You don't know? Well, yeah, if you're gonna use a computer shader, you really have to know what you're gonna do with it.
I'm just gonna try to figure out what the fuck they're doing with them.
What? But like you're trying to render a triangle, not some like
I'm not trying
Fong
to...
lighting.
I'm trying to render a cube.
Really with a computer.
7 cubes.
Good luck, man.
Well, let me guess. Gradient.compute. That's gonna create a gradient,
Yeah,
and it
that-
outputs onto an image.
So revolutionary.
It is.
You couldn't do that on the CPU or anything. I mean, how high res could this gradient possibly be?
Like 2 at least.
Wow, 2.
Uh-huh. I think it's fine just to follow along and see like a little bit more about cube. Actually, it's getting quite late though, but I think we will try out this thing. And then have I'm
Oh my
GUI.
god!
Should we also try to get GUI while we're at it?
9.
9, I don't think
Don't
so.
even try again, man. Don't try again. Don't do it.
Oh, they're gonna use it.
Don't do it. Man, if you want to have you, if you're gonna use IMGUI, tell me the 2 days before, and I'll make a binding.
Well, this is basically 2 days before now, so I'm gonna try the compute shader.
But you're gonna be stuck on the computer shader for like a week anyway, so it's like fine.
Yeah, no. It's a little bit of time to triangle. No, it's time to compute shader, bro. We have actually been thinking if we should switch away from space-time and just go back to creating a normal SIG server. Render GIF. We'll see about that. It's. I think in my mind it sounds like a great idea. Maybe. Because the thing.
Because after abandoning SpacetimeDB.
I mean, SpacetimeDB
When
is
you know-
great, but the more I think about it, because I just need more and more control, and then I'm like, okay, who's gonna be responsible for the physics? And I was like, it would be nice if I could just use the same libraries for both the server and the client for physics, and then I could use the same ECS.
Just make your bro. Just make a SpacetimeDB binding for a SIG.
Bro,
Like make it from scratch with HTML and stuff.
bro, no, HTML. And I'm just thinking like
Yup.
that physics logic would just be perfect if I just had like I could use the same ECS and I could iterate the same things, but just like have physics server logic, and I think that would be way easier than trying to figure everything out with the space-time, figure out physics through there, because that's gonna be like...
You know, I can't wait till Lucas also like is, you know, maybe hot reloading isn't so good, and then he drops that,
No,
and then it's gonna be like,
no,
I don't know,
no,
maybe like just having
no,
like the client and the server have their
no.
own things, you know. That's so revolutionary. And like, what if we made so you could like connect to those servers, you know? And what about we had microtransaction?
Bro, hot reloading is not going away. That's the only reason why I'm thinking we don't need damn GUI, because we're gonna be using hot reloading. It's GG time to the
Pro experience hot reloading once, and now it's hooked.
Yes, like it's the best, bro. Hot reloading. Mwah, I love it. Hey, it's not that sus, bro. Alright, but we can do a little bit of a... let's clean this up a little bit. That can still remain the same. But the renderer, how should we clean this up? Because now we got the... These two things got added. And I'm thinking like, it's not bad to do this thing here. But to do this here is a bit of...
What are you doing here? What's going on?
I'm creating the draw image, the image that I will draw onto, and then I will copy it over to the swap chain image.
Inside of here,
Yeah.
have you learned nothing?
Well, I have learned a little bit of that and this, but not that.
Nah, man. You put garbage like this in Vulkan.sig or any other place, but just not in the renderer. Everywhere else is fine. It's not in the renderer.
So I literally just create a function called create draw image here, and then I put that code logic in
Well, you
there.
should probably have. I mean, I guess. But
I mean,
that could be inside of Vulkan.sig or something.
I mean, I do have the image.sig that could actually contain that thing. Yeah, we'll put it
Yeah,
here.
that's great. Fabulous.
Yeah, we'll
Like
do
the
that.
only thing you gotta know is that the renderer is only high level garbage. There should not even like be Vulkan.c in here. There should not even be like possible to have it here. Just so we don't accidentally do something weird with it. That's a good idea. We should actually make the C thing private so you can't do it or mess up it somehow. Well, a great solution.
I think that actually it's not that bad of an idea.
Yeah, but then you
Yeah.
can't really access it in other Vulkan things, but whatever.
No, you can still... Cleanup is overrated. See, this guy, Mr. Internet guy gets it. I know he's being
Of course
sarcastic.
he says it. It's
I know
nah, it's being for real. It's being totally for real.
But let's see. We can take the
Get
create
him.
image away from here. So we'll take this. And this is the create image. So we'll take it away. We'll go here to the image. And we'll just literally create here pub. We will have probably like make this actually to a thing where you can init image instead. But for now it's so specific, so I will not do it. Because yeah, create draw image. Like so. And well, image is literally... This is a bit weird, because image is this whole thing. What? Can I say just... No, wait. No, image is not... What the fuck is image now? Yeah, image is this. But I don't want to call it... can I just do add this? Is that possible? Okay. And then we'll take in
Well,
the...
just import image. Or
But
just do
this
like
is
dictated
image. This is image. These fields.
Yeah, that's great.
That's great.
Around the issue.
I can make it a struct. That's smarter. You said render GIF. Wait, what? Clean up render GIF. Remove the I in GIF, and then it's more in our goals.
Yeah.
GI. Wait, what?
No, well, it's shorthand.
Render girlfriend. Okay.
Yes.
Uh,
Also, Lucas, you know it's very stupid because what you're doing now is basically doing. You're gonna have to do image.image.
no, I will return. That is the
Ah,
that is
yeah.
the Vulkan
Ah, that's
image.
so smart. Ah, yeah. No, this is stupid, bro. Like you're literally inside of a file called image.sig, and you're making a struct called image.
You know, it's because I will use this in a different way later, but right now it's just specific to create draw images, nothing else that I want to use it for. And I want to create
Okay, name it draw image then, or is draw. So it's like image dot draw.
Okay, I will do it.
Yeah. Yeah, like either that or you do this. Beautiful. Yes. Just have this as fields and they can just add this. Ah, yes, this is way more beautiful. Yes. This is how we like it.
What am I doing?
You're missing a bunch of parentheses.
Oh, okay. And
Okay, we somehow make a language that is like, there's only one way to program it, and it's super simple, so Lucas can't mess it up somehow. Like, we get
that is called
someone on this.
C.
C. Sure. Yeah. Sure. I think C is probably the worst solution here.
Ah, you don't get it, bro.
Yes, I do.
What
If you
should
had C, it would be horrendous, man. Oof, I can't imagine what kind of bullshit you could create.
I could create a lot
Probably
of
like-
bullshit.
I don't know, probably like indexing based on like the size of like a structure, but you're indexing in like another place that is a void pointer, and that just leads to another void pointer.
Somebody write
you
that
just
down.
cast into a number.
Write it down.
Whatever.
Write it down.
That's how computer works.
Yes.
Yeah, totally.
And what else? We will take extent.
Lucas, why don't we make an enum for VK format?
I don't know.
Peculiar. Well, I guess that's coming in the cleanup PR tomorrow.
I'm still waiting for the PR for today, bro.
Yeah, no, there wasn't too much to clean up. It was pretty decent.
And then we'll take the Vulkan Vulkan mem allocator. Wait, what the why do I call it that? That's the wrong name. That it shouldn't. Well, oh yeah, it is the Vulkan. It's called it's the VMA, but I guess you can call it Vulkan.
You
Bruh.
are the VMA.
I am VMA. VMA dot VMA allocator.
Bro, why isn't it just called allocator because it's already in a VMA namespace? Or is that just because it's in the... I say, okay, yeah, never mind. It's from good C, so it's fine.
Yes.
The D.
Oh fuck. No, this works. Oh, I can just do this. I can just call it var. And then I can just have an image and just the VKC image VK. And then we can pass image in here. And then we're gonna need an allocation for it.
I think Lucas is mighty suspicious. He's somehow figured this out on his own. But you know, bro is actually the best programmer ever, but is hired by the CIA to be a rage baiter.
Maybe.
Hmm. Right. Hmm.
Yeah, oddly sus. Uh-oh. Actually, I'll take this as well from here. Look how short this thing got all of a sudden.
That's what she said.
That's what.
Look how short it got all of a sudden. Fuck you, Harold.
Yes.
That hit too close to home.
Hmm. Well, it doesn't really do that for you, I don't think, because it was never long.
You can't just shut the fuck up. God
No.
This is a bit of a. I should probably not call it this because it can get easily mixed up with that one. So I'm gonna do a little bit of a VMA image allocation. Yeah. Yeah. And this will be the actual image. And this will be just format. Fuck, we need the device. Before or after the allocation? I think we'll take it after. Device. VK, that's VK device. And then just the image view. And it should still work the same way, but now we should have just that. We can put it in here and we can do a const draw image back. No, wait, I should be able to have access to image. Maybe I should put it through the VK. I think that would be a smarter choice to do. What? Why is it? Nah, bruh. And then we pass the Vulkan mem allocator to the device. And then I think it was the format, which I don't have there. I have it here. Format, and then the extent, which also can be accessed from here. Boom. And that should pretty much be the same thing.
It's binary.
Let's see. Fuck. I did a swap chain, use of unclear identifier, swap chain. Render line 10. Yes, because you shouldn't be that, you should be a VK. Like so. And same for this thing. Root source struct has no member name VM allocator. Yeah, that's typo. Not allow parameter of opaque type, not. Expected Vulkan image found. Error union. How can it find a error union from
Banano.
banana?
Banano. Hey.
Right. Okay. Expected type Vulkan image found. A type. Wait, still the same issue. 53. Ah. Yeah.
Banano.
Banana. Yes, seems to work. No leaks, no nothing. And if I take back the drawing. Bam! Back to epilepsy. That's crazy. So we got this whole thing. And we can also start to reuse it actually to create more images. Just need to not make it just specific for that, but we'll figure out a way to make it work. This could probably also be moved. So it could become one from here. I guess we can do that right now. So bma.sig. And then we go back here, we will take, even though it's not that much, but we'll take it away from here. Just to keep it clean. And what do I want with this thing? Nothing much, I just want this. And then I literally want this. And
That's it? That's all you want?
almost.
I think this project's starting to get out of hand.
No, it's starting to get good.
I think that bin is getting a little hungry.
Ben? Who the fuck is Ben?
Bad.
Bin. The trash bin.
Ah. Bro, shut up. Bruh. What is this physical device anyways?
Damn, you know what's actually a fire idea?
Tell me.
Minecraft in VR. I think that's what your next project should be.
That exists.
Omi is still here. He's gonna see.
Yeah. Omi is the one that's on it already.
Omi the home.
Exactly. We get it. He gets
Yeah,
it.
but in Zig.
Oh. Well, I guess.
With maybe some SpacetimeDB too, maybe some multiplayer. You know what I'm saying?
I'm starting to get the picture. Yeah.
And it's your, everyone's favorite game, Minecraft.
Exactly.
Damn. Honestly, I think I'm ready for a nap too. Oh,
Yeah.
good time.
I'm starting to think the same, bro. I'm just fixing the Vulkan memalak is a VK EMA dot issue. What the fuck? Why can I not find my LSP sucks ass? Am I retarded? Okay, that's why. Vulkan not allowed. Yes, okay, good. We should fix all of those still. We haven't done that. Now it looks better. So, instance, the physical device, the logical device, and then what else was it? I forgot already.
Bang.
Bang.
Bang,
Bang.
Ben.
bang, bang,
Was that it?
Bang, 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 bang.
bang,
What the fuck is happening?
bang,
Do we need that? There is a try, yeah.
bang,
Yo, what's up?
Bang.
Type
Bang,
does not
bang,
support struct
bang.
initialization.
bang, bang, bang,
Bang bang.
bang,
Vulkan. Yeah, we can take the from here. We don't need anything else from there. Use a functional identifier. Sig render 159.
bang, bang,
Okay, then we
Dead.
could actually have a D in it.
I mean, it's alright.
Draw image. Yeah, all of these should actually be in the self dot. Vulkan memory, and then we should have a D in it. What? Where the fuck? Up D in it.
bang, bang,
Now that's some crazy talk.
It's actually a chainsaw if you can't hear it.
Doesn't sound like it.
No,
No, that sounds like a chainsaw. I'm just saying.
bang,
Bang.
Bang.
Device.
Ben does not approve of you, Damon.
Sade. Sergey.
bang, bang, bang,
Hold on. Now I'm doing something stupid.
bang, bang,
Bang.
Right, this is not supposed to be here. But this is supposed to be here. And then I don't need any of that. We'll go to image. And then just a the init public. Put that here. Now we'll have access to self at this. No, absolute. And we're gonna have no self
Wait,
device.
did someone say bang?
Sure.
Bang.
bang,
Damn, we gotta make a little game where we can shoot with that sound.
No, we gotta make a game where you talk to Ben. We gotta make a rip-off of that game, you know, but on PC.
Bang.
Bro.
I'm gonna make
What game is
Ben
it?
talking Ben simulator.
Talking Pen Simulator. Init and then self.init. Holy shit, I'm doing something crazy. Vulkan memory dot init. But before we init the Vulkan memory, we have to init the draw image and pass into device. I think it's almost okay. There should be a self image view. You don't need to say that. And then same for this self.image. And here we'll have to take also in the Vulkan allocation. So I'm just gonna call it VMA. I cannot call it that. I will call it the Vulkan mem allocation. VMA. You should know what a VMA is. VK.VMA.
Bang.
That's weird. That shouldn't be so.
Bang.
The naming is a bit ugly, actually, to be honest with this, but we'll see. And then we'll take it here, self that, and allocation. Try. What is happening? Is
Bang.
Bang Bros meeting? What?
Bang.
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 And then here we'll call deinit.
Do you guys like Ben?
I love Ben. Ben is my boy.
Bang.
Ben is a bozo.
Ben is a boy. How dare you?
He's gonna call you soon.
Bang.
Okay. Okay, seems good.
Bang.
Now let's see if the memory is also maintained, that it actually gets free.
Bang.
Seems good.
Ja,
I
till
don't-
chef.
T-shirt.
Bang.
I don't know. I don't like the naming,
Bang.
like calling it Vulkan mem alloc, and then inside of image.
What?
Calling
What
it.
are you doing, bro? What are you cooking? Like, this is Ben's reaction right now.
But it's bang,
You mean,
Bang.
because it's bang goes.
It's fine. I will go with
yeah,
that.
Ben's speaking.
Bang.
I'm gonna make talking Ben simulator in like 30 minutes right now. Speedrun.
What happened to Banana?
I'm gonna work on that tomorrow more.
Banana.
Yes. Should we add the GUI?
No.
I don't know. It doesn't make much sense if you're gonna go for hot reloading, right?
Yeah, especially not without you because it's single state managed, which is garbage.
Nah, I think we're fine with the hot reloading. Yeah. But I still would like to see the compute shaders a little bit. Maybe. Should I? Maybe. What if you are GUI? Ooh. Yeah, we're gonna no like GUI is just for testing purposes. Like of course we're gonna have a UI, but we wouldn't use GUI for the actual player UI. Hell nah. We're gonna make a much more shittier version than GUI. And that's what we're gonna use. 110% sure about this. not too bad looking. What the fuck? Yeah, it's a bit
Minus
too.
the epilepsy.
It's a bit too bad looking. But it's starting to get a little bit nicer.
Crazy.
It is.
Do you prefer immediate mode UI or retained mode UI?
Retain. No, well,
What?
immediate. At least to develop.
Wait, what? Wait. Fantastic plan. Thank you. Wait, what? Immediate or retained? What did you say?
Yeah, immediate or
Yeah.
retained.
What
Immediate
does
is way easier to use. So
what does that mean? Immediate or retained? What? What does it mean?
Yeah, well, basically, immediate is OpenGL 1.0. Retained is Vulkan.
But still, like, I don't like what's it's actually in practical sense. Like, what
Uh,
does?
okay, well,
you
immediate
have
basically updates every frame, and retained only updates the thing that's being updated.
Ah, okay. Well, yeah. But either
you
way,
never
you would
create
have
an object.
you have to draw it either way every frame, don't you?
No, not really. You can like the thing with rendering is that if you don't like clear it all, then it will just stay with the same pixels, and that's kind of like
Oh, you mean like
what's the thing there.
so the image that we draw on top, we could just have it like, unless if it changes, you don't update that image and you just paste it on top of what you already about.
Yeah, you can have
Yeah.
persistent. You can have persistent state, and you can decide which portion of the UI has changed enough.
Yeah,
to
but
be
that's a lot
returned.
harder to develop, so I just use immediate.
I don't
Well,
know.
I mean, what is under the hood in immediate mode? It's retained mode, like but it retained on a per frame basis. Then
Yeah.
it throws everything away.
I mean, I guess that's kind of like you could literally just check.
Also, immediate mode eventually becomes retained because then you have you have buttons and things that are enclosed into objects.
Yeah. I mean, you could literally just. I think because we will also kind of make like a UI framework thing, so you based on that you could just already implement it, like it would recognize when something has changed, and then just send a signal to recreate the scene, basically. And then you just don't need to worry about it on the other side, you know?
My gun goes pew pew pew.
Damn, that's crazy. I'm still a bit unsure about the compute shaders. Will I do it?
No.
I just
I don't think there is any reason to do it.
no, yeah.
Like it's not that different from a regular shader
Yeah.
anyway.
So I will just
It's just
steal,
the
but
output.
I will just follow it, just set up the shaders, see if they have something new, and also get a little bit of a refresher, and then I go to push constants. I will complete skip the GUI thing. And then it's the graphics pipeline after that. And there the triangle will be.
Bang.
Bang. Mesh buffer. Harold.
Mhm.
Would you like to just start checking in on your asset loader for OBJ files and see if there's other alternatives or just something that will work, basically, if you want to enhance it,
That
basically.
loads something.
Yeah.
Well, my OBI loader works pretty okay, I guess.
Yeah.
I don't know. But there's the slight issue of it being kind of. Well, it's not really bad. It's just special.
Yeah. Or if you do know any other public available
I
libraries.
don't, especially not for SIG.
But isn't
My
there?
guy can go pew.
Can we just use the one
But
that
they're all outdated.
for the? Isn't there the STB that you could use, which is C?
STB doesn't have for model loading.
Doesn't it have? Wait, which one?
I'm not. No, I don't think so.
Or is it object loading? Don't they have like a?
Don't think so.
How the fuck did I wait? How the fuck did I do it in the Minecraft clone? Vendors, I think I called it. STB. No, it's just image. How the fuck did I load? Mesh. There's model. I guess I call it model then. Here. Create vertex buffer, but I just had the vertices already here. Index buffer. Bind. Draw. Right, this one didn't... I don't have anything else but the fucking chunks to load here, so yeah, I don't have a object loader for that. I called it Vulkan 01, the project where I actually had a... What the fuck is this project setup? Holy moly. Model? Model path, model, load model here. But what do I use to... Tiny object.
Yeah, that's tiny obj loader.
Yeah. It's that written? I don't remember. Tiny object loader. It's a
Let's
C++.
see.
Yeah.
Oh, C++.
No dependencies except for STL. Yeah, so this one is really good besides that, and I remember because as you can see here, it was really nice to just iterate through all of the things that you wanted, and like they just gave you the data, and then you could just take the what you wanted and create your own, like, you know, vectors, and you just pushed back the information, and then you could, like, it was up to you to do what the fuck you wanted with it, and it was just perfect. But okay, it's a C++ library.
Are you not going with the GLTF?
GLTF? I haven't. They mention it in here. Wait, the Vulkan guide, but I don't know what is that.
It's a model format.
It's got all the it's got all the fucking textures and shit like embedded into it.
But this is a C++
So, like, imagine
library.
like no. Imagine, remember GLF's a fucking type of fucking, it's like OBJ, GLF, what's the other one? FBX, like, it's all just a model format. It's like, imagine like we're talking about media files and stuff like that.
Oh, so
now
it's
we're
just
now
a
we're
file
going into
format.
models.
Ah.
Yeah, it's just a file format, and like each one's got like benefits, right? And GLF,
Mm.
whatever, you can embed more stuff into it, so you can have like the whole texture, everything.
Yeah, GLTF is the Chronos version of all those other formats. It's yeah, it's the one to rule them all.
And like OBJ is like the MP4, right?
I would say the
model
Wave one,
format.
the WAV.
Wave, you think?
Wow.
Okay, maybe.
Yeah.
I don't know. Yeah.
GL
GLTF can hold animations and can hold arbitrary stuff.
It's the Mr. Internet
And also,
guy.
it's very easy to parse. When you have a JSON, it's I think it's JSON inside. If I
Okay.
don't remember.
Well, then Harold will be super
Yeah,
happy to parse it. Am I right, Harold?
No, I will definitely not parse GLTF.
But it's JSON, bro.
Okay, well, we'll see.
And it would be another dependency.
Yep.
Yep. Okay. Okay, we might look in. Harold might look into this. Am I right, Harold?
Yes.
Yes. No, but I guess we can try it if it's better than that.
I would go with
OBJ.
like. I would go with OBJ. The whatever like simple. The one that, like I said, it comes with all the extra stuff. Like I don't even know if you're gonna be using all that 'cause if you're doing
No,
like shaders and textures and stuff. I don't know.
If it's a JSON, then we can do like just parse through the fields that we're interested in. So we can just go through JSON and just search for the vertices and just use those. If you just want the vertices.
I mean, if it's
Well, if
JSON, it's
that's-
super easy to parse.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
So
the case.
yeah. Of course, the only can Blender export to GLTF?
Yes, it can export like
yeah.
everything.
Oh,
Bro,
yeah.
how do you not know about this format? It's literally like the
I've
everything
never
format.
heard about it. It's the same with WebGP. What the fuck is it called? WebP?
Web GPU. Oh, WebP. Right. Yeah, it's like one of the best image formats, bro.
And but anyways, so I mean, like, then we could also just download any model and just put it in Blender and then export that GLTF, if it's like that easy.
You I wonder now that I think about it, I wonder if there's an FFmpeg for models.
Hmm. Should we store our
There's gotta
object
be
files?
because like
Blender.
that because no because that's what like like fucking Blender would be like using a program to do the conversion. So
we
it's like,
should
I'm
we
gonna have
should
to
we
figure that
should
out.
we should make a way to store vertices in an .mp4 and then just make a parser for it so we can take it back and then see what happens when you parse other files, mp4 files that are not actually obj files. We see what they would convert to.
Yeah, probably dog water.
I've done that. Not that, but you can stuck metadata or arbitrary data inside MP4
Yeah.
files. By the way, there is an FFmpeg for 3D assets. It's called ASIMP.
Oh,
Okay,
Sim.
I'm
Oh,
gonna-
I've heard about that.
Yeah, ASTIP.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
I'm
asset
seeing it right here,
importer. ASIMP.
yeah. Swiss Army knife for geometry formats
Exactly.
right here. All right.
Yeah.
Well, guess who's downloading that right now?
Me. Totally.
Yeah. Also, if you wanted to use that, then you don't have to care about the format of the file that you're opening. It will give
What's it
you.
written in? Fucking C++.
It's called simp. Yeah, it's called
Yeah,
simp.
of course.
Ha ha ha. I'm laughing.
Look at that
Better.
12K stars. You would imagine, like I would imagine, like Blender probably uses this. To be honest.
But this is like actually pretty damn good. Like if it's just basically graphics pipeline and then textures, materials ish, and then the assets loader, and that's then we pretty much have the base going. Then we still have to reconsider maybe the server architecture, but
Damn, it supports up to 40.
besides that, it's pretty
Oh,
good.
it's got C APIs. Okay, so you can use this for C. And then Zig.
I mean, if you
I think I
change
tried to use it once.
if you change the server architecture to be using our own SIG, then if I did an update in the physics system and recompiled, it would both hot reload the server and the client, and it would just be way better.
Don't get too excited.
I'm just saying. I'm just saying that it will be pretty damn cool compared to what we got right now. Even though SpacetimeDB is pretty damn
How are you
cool.
gonna retain?
Hmm?
How are you gonna retain the connections?
What do you mean guarantee the connections?
Like the sockets.
Yeah.
If you're reloading, how are
Well-
you gonna retain those?
Well, you see, when you reload, you just have a you still maintain the connection. Like that's just a different thread running, and then you just have another thread that loads the renderer. You know, so you're just swapping out to the new dynamic library function pointers. You know.
So you're not gonna be able to. Yeah, there are things that you can't modify, right?
What do you mean can't modify?
Like I don't know if you modify the code that connects. Well, what about
Oh
that?
yeah, no, I'm talking about hot reloading the renderer.
Oh, okay.
And of course also the game logic, but the game logic is separated on the server. Like the server is like the authority of what goes on.
Okay, so you're gonna have different
Mod
modules. Like
forge.
you can hot reload.
Yeah. But if I made the server logic written in Sig, then I could hot reload both of them at the same time, you know? So it would be looking as if it was. Otherwise, I would hot reload first the server, and then the client and server would be using different kind of logic, which would just tell the server would just say, "Hey, client, you're wrong, you're wrong, you're wrong," until I hot reload the client, and then they will be in sync again.
That's smart. Wow.
Wow. Wait, what? Are you sarcastic right now, or?
Absolutely not. You're fixing like a very, very crucial pain point in game development.
I'm like,
There's no command line for asimp. What the hell is this shit?
but yeah. Tomorrow we'll fix that. I think we'll get those shaders and then start on the graphics pipeline, and then next day we'll have the assets loading, and then we can actually start doing so we can see each other again, and it will just be cubes. Then we also have to look into the rendering, like some sort of skeletal animations or whatnot, but we'll step by step. If we can get cubes going, it will be pretty dense. Yeah. Well, you have to learn it some way, right? And yeah, we should probably. I'm still thinking that we should fix those opaque handles. I'm just saying.
Bro, there's not. This internet guy is actually like, this is not how it works. Okay, like I know it works like that, but not in Sig. Okay, like it's the type system handles it. It's not issue.
All right, but I will stop the stream here. See you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.
I.
But
Can we get Windows shut down?